everybody, my name is Joseph and I just buy a house from Rudy's team, and before I start my story, I would like to tell you guys I'm so satisfied with this house. And because we have some problem to find a house previously, and we have already worked with another agent, but that agent seems not quite sure for us. So we call Rudy's team and they recommend my agent right now, and that agent pretty helped me to find a new house, and finally they got what I need, and I thought they are really a good team, and what they can do I think will definitely can help you. Okay, our agent, she is quite knowledgeable people, and she gives us a lot of help because we are new guys of this country, and you know what, we lack of some life experience. Someone like me would need more experienced people to guide us to find a house and give us a lot of useful advice. And yes, they did a lot of great job, and I thought the most important things they become our agent is they are honest people, and they are very helpful. Yes, I definitely recommend this.
Local news and traffic station, KNX 1070 News Radio.
Buying and selling a home could be the most stressful thing I've ever done in my life. And as a combat veteran, I've literally been to war, so that's saying a lot. Have you ever tried to sell your home just to have it sit on the market waiting for buyers? Hi, this is Tom Tran, and I know how crazy the waiting game can be when it comes to real estate, which is why I recommend Rudy Kusuma and his team to anyone trying to sell their home. Rudy is one of the top real estate agents in Los Angeles, and he has an exclusive buyers and waiting system with over 7,900 home buyers waiting to buy right now. He may already have a buyer for your home. Rudy sells homes 2 times faster than your average agent. He nets his sellers $17,000 more on average, and he will guarantee that your home will sell, or he will buy it at a price that's acceptable to both of you. That's Rudy's guarantee. So stop waiting to sell your home and call Rudy Kusuma right now and get it sold faster. Guaranteed. Call 855-RUDY-SELLS. That's 855-783-9735. 855-RUDY-SELLS. Stop waiting to sell your home and let Rudy Kusuma sell it for you faster.
Does this sound familiar? You're about to get intimate with someone, and then you can't do it.